There are moments when the weight we feel does not fully belong to us. Responsibilities blur together. Other people's problems settle into our thoughts. The mind begins carrying concerns that extend far beyond what we can actually control. Without noticing, our mental load quietly expands. Welcome to the quote for today. I'm glad you're here. Today's reflection invites us to reconsider the boundaries of responsibility. Calm returns when you release what is not yours to fix. Many people carry a deep desire to help. We want to support the people around us. We want situations to improve. When something feels unresolved or painful, the instinct is often to step in and repair it. That instinct comes from care, but it can quietly turn into overextension. Not every problem belongs to us. Sometimes the struggles we observe are part of someone else's growth. Sometimes circumstances unfold beyond our influence. When we try to solve what is not ours to carry, the effort rarely produces clarity. It produces tension. The mind begins working overtime. It searches for solutions that are outside our reach. It replays conversations. It imagines ways to correct what may never have been ours to correct. The more energy we invest, the more drained we can feel. Calm begins to return when we recognize the boundary. Responsibility has limits. Compassion does not require control. We can care deeply about others while still acknowledging that their path is not ours to manage. Releasing what is not ours does not mean withdrawing kindness. It means offering support without absorbing the entire burden. It means recognizing where our influence ends and allowing life to unfold beyond that line. When we loosen our grip on what we cannot fix, mental space opens. Energy that was scattered outward begins to return inward. The mind settles because it is no longer trying to manage the unmanageable. Here's one gentle way to work with this today. Notice one situation that has been occupying your thoughts, even though it may not truly be within your control. Ask yourself quietly, is this something I can influence directly, or something I am trying to carry unnecessarily? If it falls outside your responsibility, imagine setting it down for now. Allow that space to exist without immediately filling it again. Often, the calm we are searching for begins the moment we stop holding what was never ours to carry. And here are two related thoughts to sit with. Healthy boundaries restore balance, and letting go protects energy. Until we meet again tomorrow, let's make it a great day.